Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add an About Us page to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Online Store. From the drop-down menu, click on Pages. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Add Page button. This will open up a fresh page. In the title field, type About Us. Right below that, click inside the large content box. This is where you tell your brand story, share your mission, and explain what makes your product special. If you want to use Shopify's built-in AI tool to help write your story, click the sparkle icon inside the text formatting toolbar. Type in a few details about your brand and click Generate to get a professional description instantly. Once you are happy with your text, look at the right side of the screen under Visibility. Make sure this is set to Visible. Now, click Save. To make sure your customers can actually find this new page, look at your left sidebar under Content and inside Menus, click on your Main menu or your Footer menu. Click Add Menu Item and click the link field to select your newly created page under Pages. Then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an About Us page to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.